notes, huh? I said they call me notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me notes, huh? I said they call me notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? What's going on, family? It's your boy C Notes, and you already know what this is. Welcome to Sneaker Notes. I want to give a big shout out to all the subscribers that have been showing love my last couple of videos, man. You already know I gotta give a big shout out to my guy, Unbreakable Kicks. He sent that flight my way, man, and gave me a couple new subscribers, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for that, fam, man. Salute. And we gonna talk about them homage to home ones, man. I need a pair, man, so we'll talk about it. I DM you. We'll talk about it. Let me know if I gotta take a flight out there for one day, or we'll talk about it, man. But shout out to the guy, Unbreakable Kicks. He's the man when it comes to the Jordans, man. So if you ain't already following him, go check him out. Now, if you already been following me, or if you're a subscriber, you already know how we start the video off. I want to see what you wore on foot today. So, after you like the video, after you share the video, after you subscribe to the video, I want you to go down to the comment section and type in what you wore on foot today. Today, I got a Jordan 4 Oreo OGs. Let's see how those look. Yeah, so those are the Jordan 4. Some people call them Oreos. I just call them black and gray. Now, first things first. Can somebody tell me what the is Jordan Brand doing? He's coming out with, okay, he's catering to the woman, and we love that. But what women are wearing those? It's a million women, sneakerheads, non-sneakerheads, whatever. I just need one of you women to comment down low which one of these sneakers you wearing and why you wearing these sneakers.
And let's be honest.
I love Jordan, man, but I don't see a woman wearing those sneakers, man. You can have SZA, you can have Alila May. And shout out to Alila May. If you go look at my last video, I just did a review on Alila May Jordan 1 Shadow Satins. So go check that out. But you gotta have all these powerful women pushing this, and I don't see it happening, man. So, Jordan Brand, I don't know what you're doing, but those sneakers are ugly.
Damn!
Every last one of them. It ain't even no ants in there. They're all ugly. This portion of the video is sponsored by Markk, Quick Wipes. No, I'm lying. It's not sponsored by him, but if you a sneakerhead and you travel, even if you don't travel, you get a little scuff on your sneakers, those things work like a charm. Crep have some too. Oh. Crep have some too. Should see him right there. Shout out to Crep. All those sneaker boxes by Crep, they're expensive as hell. Crep have some too. I haven't gotten to try the Crep ones yet, but the Jason Markk ones, oh, they work. When I'm on vacation, walking through the malls or, you know, doing whatever, and I get a little scuff, I wipe those, come right off. So shout out to Jason Markk. They should be paying me for this, but they ain't. Shout out to Jason Markk. You go on Amazon, you get those for cheap. Those cost nothing. I'm going to try the Crep ones whenever I get a little damage on something, and I'll let you know if those work. Now, this weekend, we got the shadow ones coming out. Let me show you how I leave the maze one more time. They look like these. They're just not this pretty. But they are the OG colorway for the Jordan 1s. So I'm copping them. I'm on them. Size 10.5. If you got them now, hit me at sneakernote718@gmail.com. Price is right. I'll cop them. But those are definitely a cop for me. Let me know in the section below, are you tired of Jordan 1s? Because I'm not going to lie. These joints come out, and they come out, and they come out, and they come out, and they come out. But they fire. So, I'm not tired of them, but let me know if you tired of them. Let me know what's your favorite one also. My next video, I'm going to show y'all my favorite Jordan 1. If I could choose, that's going to be hard. But yeah, that's what we're going to do next. I took an L on the Toros. Well, I didn't take an L. I just ain't prepared to get them. I really didn't want them. I didn't see you wearing that all red suede like that. It's not my style, but they dope sneakers. I took an L. Or it was a draw. Or whatever you want to say about it. I don't have them. They're not here. If I wanted them, they'll be here, but they're not here. So yeah, this weekend we got the shadows. I'm waiting to see what the Supreme drop gonna look like. I ain't hear no news on that yet. Yeah, other than that, get rich.
I'ma say anybody now listen one world movements forget shuffle. My other bitch pull up on the Harley. My other bitch smoking on Molly. Fuck a bitch, sorry, not sorry. Bitch, you no pain, I'm gang. Just in the game, now I'm chain. Fuck all the pain, blow out the brains on gang. I drop the house on the chain, stick out my feet up on planes. Friends on the shit, they got a offset. Shout out to the young boy offset. Ain't no more hating, we been out there. Little niggas gotta crawl, can't walk yet. Still on my dick like a nutsack. Still making bitch push your butt back. Still making deals on WhatsApp.